The Scarlet Low cooking show. Welcome.
Polenta is a really yummy go-to when you have guests coming and you want to serve something different rather than rice, potato or pasta as a starch base. Just something that's slightly different. A lot of people haven't tried polenta. This is an old recipe that my friend Hilla gave me. Thank you, Hilla.
Ingredients today are grated cheese, some oil. This could be sunflower oil or it could be rapeseed oil. Both especially from Mexico, and it's got oregano, onion, chilies and lemon peel in it. We're also going to use milk, cup and a half, couple of eggs, tin of sweet corn. You can get salt-free sweet corn in a tin. Chopped onion, fairly finely chopped. We need a little baking powder, polenta, which is maize, and some plain flour. We also need a big bowl and an even bigger bowl. Hands are clean, and we're going to begin by mixing all the wet ingredients into the large bowl. Onion counts as a wet ingredient. 2 eggs. We're going to put a couple of eggs in here. I like to swipe out the shell. Right, I've got my towel, I'm all set. I need my towel. So we've got eggs, onion, 1.5 cups of milk, Just do it.
a tin of sweet corn with the juice, and add the grated cheese. Now I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to get an even bigger bowl to mix all my dry ingredients. So in goes 1/2 cup of flour, 1.25 cup of polenta, 1.25. This recipe is based on cups. The proportions are going to be right as long as you use the same size cup for all your ingredients. I'm now adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and the menudo mix. 1 teaspoon of oregano, onion, chilies and lemon peel in it. You could make this yourself quite easily, but other chilies, fresh chilies or chili powder would do. You mix together your dry ingredients really well, give them a good mix through before adding the wet ingredients. Mixing the wet ingredients really well and then pouring in 1/2 cup of oil. This could be sunflower oil or rapeseed oil, a sort of not very strong flavored oil. Olive oil probably wouldn't work. So now that the wet ingredients are mixed through well, we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. I always like to scrape out the bowl, get all those last bits of cheese out. And then give it all a really good mix through. Fill it into ceramic dishes and you are pretty much done. Now all we need to do is bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. And that is the polenta. Mix it through and fill another dish.
Salad will go really well with polenta.
This calls for scrapie. Yes, Scrapie is home, because Scrapie does this kind of thing very well. Scrapie is my hero. And the polenta is ready for the oven. And voila, the polenta.
Just something slightly different.
Looking very nice, looking yummy. You can see all the bits of onion. Give it a go with Lolo.
Yeah!